Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 61 kitchen decor ideas, where we dive into some of the most creative, practical, and stylish kitchen designs that will inspire your next home renovation. Whether you're planning to transform your kitchen into a cozy haven or create a sleek, modern space, these ideas will give you the tools to bring your vision to life. In this video, we've curated 61 diverse kitchen designs that blend functionality with beauty. From minimalist aesthetics to bold and colorful arrangements, you'll discover ideas that can fit any budget, space, or taste. Get ready to explore how different materials, layouts, and color palettes can completely change the vibe of your kitchen. You'll see everything from rustic farmhouse kitchens with vintage touches, to ultra-modern spaces with cutting-edge appliances and clean lines. The designs featured in this video not only highlight trends, but also showcase practical solutions. Want a kitchen that's not just beautiful, but also easy to maintain? We've got you covered. Looking for space-saving ideas for a small kitchen? We've included smart solutions for you as well. We believe that the heart of the home should be a place that blends style and functionality seamlessly. With these kitchen decor ideas, you'll learn how to make the most of your space and infuse personality into your home, whether you're a passionate cook or just someone who enjoys the occasional meal with family and friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment with your favorite kitchen design or any thoughts you have on the video. We'd love to hear from you. Happy watching, and enjoy the design inspiration.